What's going on, Griddle Nation? We are standing in front of Pig Beach in Queens, New York for the Jeff Michner Foundation fundraiser. It's so much fun to see the community all get together, come together to rally around one special occasion to serve this one amazing family that has left such a big mark on this community. Let's go inside and get some food.
Today, it's the last Saturday in April for the Jeff Michner Foundation barbecue benefit. Quick story, the sad tragedy is my brother-in-law, my wife's twin brother, suddenly passed away in 2018. And the way that we wanted to be able to honor him and remember him was put together this barbecue benefit. We just raised money in Jeff's name for great scholarships for graduating students that have Jeff's passions of golf and culinary arts. We do scholarships and we also help families that have gone through similar loss and tragedy. So to have everybody here today and have this event, it's an honor to remember Jeff, put on this incredible event where we have 30 of the country's best pit masters here, cooking up things and having the great support of Blackstone to do that. It just means the world to us, so thank you for being here. Go to jeffmichnerfoundation.com, check out the website. There's always events happening, ways to donate if you want to. We'd love to have any support you can give us.
Do it. We'll see you guys next year. So we're still here at Pig Beach, and I'm with Chef Brett, representing Sally's Pizza, and today he's whipping up a ton of delicious recipes in our pizza ovens.
First off, thank you for letting us use these ovens. They've been really, really great for us. So one of the most important parts of our pizza is using fire. With the deck, the spinning, the flame on the side is giving us like that signature char that we're looking for every time, but like in a mobile way to do it without spending like hundreds of thousands of dollars on like a truck and a customizable oven. So we're doing the same thing we've been doing since 1938, the way that Sal Consiglio of Sally's taught us to do it. So same dough, same method, same sauce. However, we are kind of giving it a facelift a little bit for today. We're doing a special pie called the Heat Wave. So it's gonna have that same sauce forward, light on moods, nice char in the crust to bring it all together. A little Calabrian hot honey, pepperoni, fresh basil, a little pecorino romano to really set it over the edge.
Dude, this looks beautiful. I personally have had 2 slices. I will personally be having 3 slices. But thank you so much.
No, pleasure. Thank you so much.